English for daily life.
Do you open the window?
Yes, for fresh air.
Do you turn on the light?
Yes, the room is dark.
Do you boil water?
Yes, for tea and oats.
Do you cut vegetables?
Yes, tomato and cucumber.
Do you add salt or sugar?
Just a little salt.
Do you eat slowly?
Yes, I chew well.
Do you wipe the table?
Yes, with a clean cloth.
Do you dry the dishes?
Yes, on the rack.
Do you take out trash?
Yes, the bag is full.
Do you pack a snack?
Yes, a banana and nuts.
Ready to go.
Yes, I'm ready.
Do you set the alarm off?
Yes, I turn it off.
Do you say goodbye to family?
Yes, have a nice day.
Do you bring a raincoat?
Yes, a thin one.
Do you carry an umbrella?
Yes, a small umbrella.
Do you walk near buildings?
Yes, for more cover.
Do you avoid big puddles?
Yes, I watch my steps.
Do you keep phone and wallet safe?
Yes, in inner pockets.
Do you wait at the crosswalk?
Yes, for the green light.
Do you hold the handrail?
Yes, steps are slippery.
Do you wipe your glasses?
Yes, with a soft tissue.
Do you change socks later?
Yes, when I get inside.
Do you plan a hot drink?
Yes, tea with ginger.
Feel okay now?
Yes, I'm fine.
Do you check the map for a dry path?
Yes, I pick a covered way.
Do you text I arrive safely?
Yes, I message my friend. Do you take a basket?
Yes, a small basket.
Do you buy water and milk?
Yes, one bottle, one carton.
Do you buy bread or noodles?
Bread and 2 packs of noodles?
Do you check dates?
Yes, all still fresh.
Do you go to the cashier?
Yes, I wait in line.
Do you pay by cash?
Yes, exact money.
Do you need a bag?
No, I bring one.
Do you want a receipt?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Do you scan your member code?
Yes, for points.
Do you pay by QR if needed?
Yes, QR is fine. Do you like travel books?
Yes, I like city tips.
Do you check easy English books?
Yes, daily phrases.
Do you choose paperbacks?
Yes, they're light.
Do you read the summary?
Yes, on the back.
Do you compare prices?
Yes, two close options.
Do you ask for member price?
Yes, please.
Do you buy a bookmark?
Yes, a simple one.
Do you keep the bill?
Yes, inside the book.
Read on weekends.
Yes, 1 hour a day.
Need a bag.
No, I bring one.
Happy with your choice?
Yes, very happy.
Do you ask staff for help?
Yes, to find level 1 books.
Do you note the title on your phone?
Yes, to read later.
Do you sort clothes?
Yes, light and dark.
Gentle wash for shirts.
Yes, 1 small cap of soap.
Do you set a timer?
Yes, 30 minutes.
Low heat in the dryer?
Yes, low heat only.
Do you use a mesh bag?
Yes, for socks and underwear.
Do you hang shirts to dry?
Yes, on hangers.
Do you lay sweaters flat?
Yes, on a towel.
Do you pair the socks?
Yes, pair by pair.
Do you clean the filter?
Yes, before next wash.
Feel tidy now.
Yes, very tidy.
Ready for the week.
Yes, all ready.
Do you fold towels too?
Yes, into small squares.
Do you put clothes in the closet?
Yes, shirts on hangers. Do you fix phones here?
Yes, screens and batteries.
Do you save my data first?
Yes, we back it up.
Do you check the phone fast?
Yes, a free check.
Do you tell the price?
Yes, parts and work.
Do I pay a small deposit?
Yes, a small deposit.
Can you finish today?
Yes, by 6 p.m.
Do I get a warranty?
Yes, 3 months.
Will you text when done?
Yes, we send SMS.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, card or cash.
Do I get a receipt?
Yes, here it is. Do you go early?
Yes, food is fresh early.
Do you check the fruit?
Yes, no bad spots.
Do you smell the greens?
Yes, they smell fresh.
Do you compare to sellers?
Yes, price and quality.
Do you buy mango and banana?
Yes, 1 kilo total.
Do you bring your own bag?
Yes, a cloth bag.
Do you ask to taste?
Yes, 1 small piece.
Is the mango sweet?
Yes, very sweet.
Do you pay small change?
Yes, I pay exact.
Buy eggs too.
Yes, 10 fresh eggs.
See you next week?
Yes, I will come. Do you keep the phone silent?
Yes, it's on silent.
Do you speak softly?
Yes, very softly.
Do you light 1 incense?
Yes, 1 stick.
Do you sit and breathe?
Yes, 3 slow minutes.
Do you think kind thoughts?
Yes, for everyone.
Do you give a small donation?
Yes, from my heart.
Do you bow before leaving?
Yes, a gentle bow.
Do you feel peaceful now?
Yes, my mind is calm.
Do you greet others softly?
Yes, a quiet hello.
Come again next week?
Yes, I will. Are you in class now?
Yes, I'm in class.
Do you bring your book?
Yes, the blue book.
Do you bring a notebook?
Yes, one small notebook.
Do you have a pen?
Yes, a black pen.
Do you sit near the front?
Yes, in the second row.
Do you turn off your phone?
Yes, silent mode.
Do you listen carefully?
Yes, I listen.
Do you ask one question?
Yes, about the homework.
Do you read aloud?
Yes, one short paragraph.
Do you note new words?
Yes, 5 new words.
Do you work in pairs now?
Yes, we practice together.
Do you know the homework time?
Yes, due tomorrow.
Ready for practice.
Yes, let's start.